Hello dear students, welcome to my class. Today we will continue with the first chapter of civics, that is power sharing. In previous class we discussed about the meaning of power sharing, its advantages and disadvantages, its classification and some important terms. Today we will discuss one case study based on power sharing. Okay, so let's start. There are two ways of running a government. One is tyranny. Tyranny means cruelty, or we can say the dictatorship. So in this system means the tyranny, the power is concentrated in the hands of a leader or a king. On the other hand, the other one is a democracy. So in this, the power is delegated at different levels. This chapter means the power sharing chapter emphasizes on importance of power sharing, that is sharing of power of decision making, policy making, etc. between different authorities in democratic system of governance. So various types of power sharing is observed in a democratic system. Power sharing between state government and central government, power sharing between judiciary, legislature and executive are example of power sharing. So in previous class already we discussed that. Power sharing is also observed between different linguistic groups in order to make peace between them. In this chapter, power sharing and its importance is observed via real-time examples of Sri Lanka and Belgium. Now we are going to discuss the story of Belgium. Belgium is a small European country. Brussels is the capital of this country. We can compare Belgium with our state Haryana. Okay, it has borders with France, Netherlands, Germany and Luxembourg. The ethnic composition of Belgium is very complex. What is the meaning of ethnic? In previous class already we discussed this. So a social division based on shared culture. तो हम लोग एथनिक नहीं बोल के ये भी बोल सकते हैं जेनेटिक, और वी कैन से द नेशनल और रेशियल. ओके, इन बेल्जियम पीपल स्पीक मेनली 3 लैंग्वेजेस. डच 59% डच बोलते थे, और कहाँ देखा जाता था? फ्लेमिश रीजन पे. ओके, फ्रेंच जो है वो 40% था, कहाँ देखा जाता था? ऑब्वियसली वलोनिया रीजन पे. एंड जर्मन स्पीकिंग पीपल था ओनली 1%. So in capital city Brussels, 80% speaks French while 20% speaks Dutch. So the जो सिनेरियो था ऑल ओवर बेल्जियम पे वो रिवर्स था कैपिटल सिटी ब्रसेल्स पे. Okay, so the Dutch speaking people are in minority, which is the opposite of the rest of the country where they are in the majority. We can use this map for better understanding. It clears your all concept about the scenario in Belgium on that time. Okay, so the all over Belgium the Dutch people जो थे वो थे majority पे. Okay, and French people थे minority पे. बट ये सिनेरियो रिवर्स हो जा रहा था कहाँ पे आके? ब्रसेल्स पे आके. बट द फ्रेंच पीपल जो थे, स्पीकिंग पीपल जो थे, वो माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी हो के भी वो थे बहुत ही रिच एंड पावरफुल. सो दिस मेड द डच स्पीकिंग कम्युनिटी एंग्री. So from the 1950s to the 1960s, there were tensions between two communities because of these differences. For solving this matter, the Belgian leaders took a different path, and it is called the accommodation in Belgium. So they recognized the existence of regional differences and cultural diversities. So from 1970 to 1993, the Constitution of Belgium was amended 4 times. The idea was to work out an arrangement that would make everyone to live together. They framed out Belgium model in innovative ways. The key elements of Belgian model, or we can say the features of Belgian models, are: Constitution prescribes that number of Dutch and French speaking ministers shall be equal in the central government. I am going to repeat. Constitution prescribes that the number of Dutch and French speaking ministers shall be equal in the central government. Some special laws require the support of majority of members from each linguistic group. Thus no single community can make decision unilaterally. बेल्जियम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में बोला गया है कि डच और फ्रेंच स्पीकिंग मिनिस्टर्स का जो नंबर है, जो क्वांटिटी है, वो इक्वल होना चाहिए इन द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. ओके, और कोई भी कम्युनिटी और या ग्रुप कोई डिसीजन वन साइडेड नहीं ले पाएगा. ओके, जो भी डिसीजन होगा वो म्यूचुअल बेसिस पे होना चाहिए. Many powers of the central government have been given to the state governments of two regions of the country. The state governments are not subordinated to the central government. मतलब स्टेट गवर्नमेंट सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के अंडर पे नहीं है. मतलब जो सुप्रीमेसी है सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का वो देखा नहीं जाएगा इन बेल्जियम मॉडल पे. ओके, ब्रसेल्स हैड ए सेपरेट गवर्नमेंट इन which both the communities have equal representations. ब्रसेल्स पे भी देखा जाएगा जो कम्युनिटीज़ जो डच और फ्रेंच स्पीकिंग पीपल का जो रिप्रेजेंटेशन है वो भी जो है इक्वल नंबर पे होगा. The French speaking people accepted equal representation in Brussels because the Dutch speaking community has accepted equal representation in the central government. ओके, तो ब्रसेल्स और द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ऑल ओवर द बेल्जियम पे जो डच और फ्रेंच स्पीकिंग जो मिनिस्टर है या कोई भी ऑफिशियल का जो अमाउंट है जो नंबर है वो इक्वल होना चाहिए. Apart from the central and the state government, there is a third kind of government called the community government. So what is the meaning of community government? Community government means a type of government which is elected by the people belonging to one language community. The community government has the power regarding cultural, educational and language related issues. What are the consequences or outcome of Belgium model? Belgium's model of democracy is very complicated in order to solve its ethnic groups problem. So a complicated constitution was framed, but peace was established between all linguistic groups of Belgium, leading stability and a path opened for development of country. A potential division of country was avoided when many countries of Europe came together to form the European Union. Brussels was chosen as its headquarters. Belgium model helped to avoid conflicts between communities. So the Belgium model का जो outcome और result था वो क्या था? वो था Belgium model of sharing power in their democratic setup is very complicated. Why? क्यों बोला जाता है complicated? Because many provisions have been made by their constitution. Then the question is what is provision? Provision है legal फ्रेम आउट और लीगल सपोर्ट जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ऐड किया जाता है. ओके, सो दिस प्रोविजंस आर नॉट इजी इवन फॉर द पीपल इन बेल्जियम टू अंडरस्टैंड. But remember, in Belgium, the leaders have realized that the unity of country is possible only by respecting the feelings and interests of different communities and regions. So such a realization resulted in mutually acceptable arrangements for sharing power. तो ये हो सकता है complicated, but it is an ideal example of power sharing. So my dear children, that's the end for today's session. We will meet in our next class with new topics. Till then, bye. Take a very good care of yourself and happy learning.